Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Now I am a ponytail kind of girl through and through, but I was looking for something that looks a little fancier than a ponytail but just as easy, and I am in love with this 6-piece flower hair clip set from Ahoney. This hair clip set not only looks cute, but I'm impressed by the durability and the comfort. I've had hair clips in the past and I couldn't wait to get them out because they dug into my head or they'd quickly fall out. But that is not the case with this set. I've worn them all day and never felt any discomfort. I was also impressed by how they stayed in my hair all day, even when I was helping my husband build a shed or when I was playing with my son in the pool. I didn't have to readjust them at any time during those activities. These hair clips come in different colors and styles, so you'll be sure to find your favorite set. I got mine in matte neutral color, so I'm able to wear them with many different outfits, but I think I'm going to buy some in more vibrant colors also. I just can't say enough about this claw clip set. Because of them, I've rediscovered how much I loved clips when I was young, and now turns out I'm going to wear them all the time. So if you're looking to jazz up your summer outfits with something easy, comfortable, and adorable, then you're going to love this flower claw clip set from Ahoney. And that's my point of view.